Hello, in front of me I've got GARMIN Index S2 Scale. In this video I'll show you how to change user. To change user on your scale, first activate it, weight in, wait until weight measurement is finished, and then tap like this with your foot to change user. You can select up to 15 user. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.